Hello everybody, my name's Dave. Thanks for joining me on this lovely, nice, cool Berwick day with the sun shining. It's gorgeous. Today I'm going to finish off the work I started on last time, changing the radiator. I'm currently tightening up the alternator belt. So what I'm going to do today is try and fix the oil leak and get the radiator working. So this is where I'm at the moment. I've got the aircon pump removed, still got the aircon belt on. I've got all the cables off, just got to slacken off the tensioner, remove that belt, lift the aircon unit onto here, tighten up the alternator belts, tighten up the pulleys. From there I'm going to take plastic cover off the rocker, check to see whether there's any leaks, because I don't think the high pressure oil pipe's leaking. There's only the rocker cover at that side and that's it. Anyway, that's where we're at. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to slacken off the pulley. For anybody who doesn't know, this is 14 millimeters. So what you do is you slacken it off, not all the way, just a reasonable amount so it's loose like that. If I go anti-clockwise, I think I'm taking it down. When you lift the air conditioning pump, it gets the belt off. And you lift the pump back here, out the way, then you've got access to your alternator, which is already loose. Got to make sure the pivot's tight at the bottom. We've got a slight development. I've noticed there's a lot of oil down there. I'm taking this off, I'm just trying to get all the bolts out. It appears that it's not that round tube, it's a coolant tube as well. I forgot about that. But it's not leaking coolant, so that's fine. It does appear to be leaking oil. I have tightened up the exhaust manifold. It's supposed to be in 30 Newton meters and wasn't. Hopefully that should cure the leak. Doesn't look like it's coming out of the rocker cover. Doesn't look like it's coming out of the rocker cover anywhere, really. Oh, for those of you who think it might be that pipe, it's this pipe here. It bends to the right, goes into the head there, there's an O-ring on it, and then it needs sealing down there. But it's coolant, not oil.